back. In previous video we talked about Kubernetes and we were creating deployment, pod, services, and there we had like many YAML files and we were like uh, uh, we were not able to manage those YAML file because let's suppose you have 5 services and the 5 services contain one pod, one service and one deployment. It means 5 into 3. How many YAML file you will have? You will have 15 YAML file. Now those 15 YAML file just for 5 services. Now you have a project, whole project where you have multiple modules, multiple services. So those, how you can manage those files? To overcome that problem, we have Helm. So basically Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. So today we will talk about that. So you got it, like how why we use Helm, and we will learn from the scratch like why we use Helm, what is the use of it, and how we can use it in uh, our projects. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get started. So if you haven't watched my previous videos on Kubernetes, I have created 2 to 3 videos on Kubernetes, and I also uh, given a demonstration on how you can deploy your Kubernetes cluster on Google Kubernetes engine. uh, and I also have added one video where you will get some exception or you will get some error while starting your Kubernetes application. And if you see my channel here, I have a series of Kubernetes. I have here how does Kubernetes create a pod, okay, and deploy that pod to that cluster whatever you have. Basically used a Spring Boot application, simple Spring Boot application which demonstrate you to deploy your Kubernetes application, the pod you have created in your local, to the JKE cluster. Okay, so this is basically the small introduction about the Kubernetes. It has lot of things to understand, but to understand lots of things we have to start from the scratch. So I have added some basic things which help you to start your journey for Kubernetes. Okay, and today I'll talk about Helm chart. So if you haven't watched those video, you can go and you can check it out my videos. I'll add the link in my description also. Okay, so yeah, let's back to the Helm chart. And here this is a Helm website, which is official website of Helm. So if you wanted, here I can show you the docs. Okay, so if you can see the same thing they have mentioned, Helm is package manager for Kubernetes. Okay, so this is basically it is nothing, it is just a package manager. But to manage your package you have to understand some of the command and the structure of that Helm. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So here, so before starting the Helm, what should you should know? A Kubernetes cluster, which I have already shown you here. You can go and check it out, that video, how you can use a Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and decide what security configuration to apply to your installation. Okay, and installing and configuring Helm. So in this video we talk about what is Helm, why we use it. Okay, now how we use Helm in our project. First of all, we need to install the Helm in our machine. Okay, so I'm using Mac, and if you are using any other also like a Windows or Linux machine, you can have look here, they have given the guide of installation. So if you can read it, the Helm project provide two way to fetch and install Helm. Okay, These are the official method to get Helm release. Okay, in addition, Helm community provide method to install Helm through different package managers. So basically they also have some third party managers which help you to install the Helm in your in your machine. Okay, so this is for from the binary release from script. Okay, so my personal suggestion is you can go for any of the package manager and install the Helm. It is very easy thing which I feel personally feel like. Okay, so what I did is I just use homebrew. So what I did is I installed homebrew in my machine, and then what I did is I use brew install Helm. So I can show you in my terminal. So this is my terminal. Okay, I hope you can see it. So I already have installed Helm in my machine. I can again show you Helm, sorry, bro, install Helm. Okay, so this is like how it will download. So because I already have this, Helm is already installed and up to date, so it is quite fast. Okay, but if you will install it first time in your machine, then it will take some time. Okay, now if I show you what version I am using of Helm, basically it is showing here, but if you wanted to see in your machine what version you are using of Helm, so this is the command Helm version. Okay, so Helm version, if you write on the terminal, you will see version build info v 3.11.1. Okay, and the git commit it was. Okay, this is how you can install the Helm in Mac. So let's talk about how we can install in Windows. So from our Windows we have chocolatey package, so you need to install that chocolatey and then use choco install Kubernetes Helm. So this is how you can install in Windows. And one more option we have scoop. Okay, you just need to use scoop in your Windows machine. Just install that package and then use scoop install Helm. Okay, and if you are Ubuntu user, you can use those steps. So basically I will share this website link in my description. You can take a look and you can install as per your convenience. Okay, so this is how we can install Helm. In the next video we will talk about how we can create the charts. Okay, and if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. And if you wanted to learn more, and if you have any topic in your mind which you wanted to learn, you can give a comment uh, in this video, and I will definitely reach out your comment and try to create a video on that topic. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.